Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how to close a private limited company. The first step is to sell the company. Selling a company includes and constitutes of voluntarily winding up of a company. It can be done by selling the shares of the company. Technically speaking, it is not an actual winding up, but the stakes are transferred to another person or entity. The next is compulsorily winding up of the company. Any company registered in India under the Companies Act which did an unlawful act, fraudulent act, or even if they contributed any action in some fraudulent or unlawful activities, then such company would be wound up compulsorily by the tribunal. Now, what are the steps in compulsorily winding up a company? The steps are filing of a petition, statement of affairs of the company, advertisement for at least 14 days, proceedings of the tribunal. Now, what is voluntarily winding up? Winding up of a company voluntarily requires long procedural compliance to follow. There are certain mandatory requirements that have to be completed to close down a company voluntarily. A company can be wound down voluntarily in the situations mentioned below. The first situation is if the company passes a resolution in its general meeting upon the expiry of the duration for which it is formed or upon the occurrence of any event in respect of which the articles provide for its dissolution. The second one is the company passes a special resolution for a voluntarily winding up of the company. The voluntarily winding up commences from the date of passing of the resolutions mentioned above. The company should also appoint a company liquidator in the same meeting. Now, what are the steps that are included in the voluntarily winding up? The steps are the company passes a resolution in their general meeting. The consent of the trade creditors is also required to wind up the company. The next step is the company has to make a declaration of solvency and the same must be accepted by the trade creditors of the company. The liquidator so appointed will carry out the winding up proceedings and prepare a report of the winding up on the assets, properties, debts, and so on. The company liquidator shall also make an application to the tribunal for an order of dissolution of the company.